if they're looking for with furnished, we can give with furnished as well.
Okay.
But for 30. Furnished and everything will be remaining as it is.
Building name is DX Max, huh?
DS Max.
DS
DS
Max.
DS. You see that?
Yeah.
It's
DS
written over
Max.
there. DS Max. DS Max Serenity.
Serenity.
Serenity. SERENITY.
Okay. Which cross?
Cross
Rupenagraga.
NGR layout you can write.
NGR layout.
Yeah.
Near to Gopal Reddy house.
No, ma'am. Gopal Reddy.
He's
One of the Congress leader. No?
over here.
But I don't know.
The next house which you saw, right? That is his house.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರಲ್ವಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಇವರು ಯಾರು ನಾಗಬಾಬು ನಾಗಬಾಬು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೀಡರ್
Maintenance charges 2,000 rupees.
Yes.
ಹೌದು
And power backup is there. Building.
Building we have power backup in there. And one point actually for this also. House also. One point there is a backup. In fact, we are
But
using
inverter ತಾನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We will be removing.
ನಾವು
it. It is
ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್
not
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
furnished.
Actually, ನಾನು building